Hello folks, welcome to the wonderful world of UI versus UX. Now if you're already a pro in this, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're not, stick around for a course. It's the difference between the two. UI or user interface is like a fancy packaging or product. It's all about how things look and feel on your screen. Meanwhile, UX or user experience is the journey you take as you interact with the product. Think of UI as a sleek exterior of a sport car, and UX has a smooth ride that leaves you craning from ear to ear. Now let's break it down a bit further. As a UI designer, your main gig is making things look awesome. You are the mastermind behind the buttons, menu, and overall visual appeal of the digital product. But here's the kicker. Before UX came along, UI designers like myself used to rely on lots of intuition and guesswork. Sure, our designs look cool, but were they actually user-friendly? That's where UX comes into play. UX designers take those sneezy UI designs and put them into the test. They are like detectives of the design world investing. How real users interact with products. Do you ever click the button and end up somewhere unexpectedly? Yeah, that's the kind of stuff UX designers look out for. Now in this course, we will be focusing on both UI and UX. We are diving deep into the Figma, the ultimate tool for crafting stunning interface and user experience. Speaking of user-friendliness, let me share a little anecdote about my recent experience with a new recipe app. Imagine this, I downloaded the app as it to try out some new dishes, and the interface looked modern and polished. However, when I try to find recipe, it's like navigating through the mix. I am trapped on various icons searching for the search bar and only to realize is tracked away in the corner. And don't even start me with on the absence of clear category or an overwhelming use of bright and disturbing colors. So at the end, I ended up using ChatGPT. But hey, every UX hiccup is lesson learned, right? As designers, it's our job to keep our eye peeled for those pain points and strive to make our design as smooth as a button. So there you have it, UI, UX, and everything in between. So are you ready to rock your designs like a pro? Let's roll into the next video and keep this creative journey going strong.